We are going to study if the 7QC tools is still effective in today's manufacturing environment and also in the IR or Industrial Revolution 4.0 environment. The 7QC tools concept was created more than 50 years ago by Professor Kaoru Ishikawa and become a buzz in the manufacturing industries to solve quality problems. Since the tools was created more than a half of century, it is time for us to look at if the 7QC tools is still an effective approach to solve quality problem. By the end of this video, you will have an overview concepts of the 7QC tools and which tools should you focus more to masters in today's manufacturing environment and in Industrial Revolution 4.0 environment. The 7QC tools, which is widely used in the manufacturing industries as a problem-solving tools, consist of check sheets, which manually tally and record the number of observations and occurrences of certain events during a specific time period to observe the process behavior, or it is used to build a histogram. Second is the Pareto chart, which is a bar chart that are already arranged in the descending order based on the magnitude of the data to know that which are the vital few such as the defect symptom. Next is a histogram. It is a bar chart display of the distribution of individual measurements taken on a part, and it will have a snapshot of the variations of the whole measurement parameters. The fourth is stratification, which separates the data gathered from a variety of sources so that the pattern can be clearly seen, such as by manufacturing line or by different suppliers. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content. The fifth is a control chart to give us a process insights if the process is behave normally or if there is a special cause variation, which action is needed to eliminate the special cause variations. And also the fishbone diagram is a graphic tools of categorizing the potential causes of problem in order to identify its root cause to an effect. And lastly, the scatter plot, which is a pair measurement of each item of a standard X and Y graph to check if there's any relationship between X and Y to identify which variable which could have an impact on the Y data of the process output. The 7QC tools has been used extensively in problem-solving approach such as Six Sigma or the 8D problem-solving approach here, from defining the problem of the Y data collection in control chart, in Pareto, in histogram, to the root cause analysis of relating it or connecting the Y to which are the potential X which cause the problem in cause and effect diagram, and also scatter plot. Those QC tools was created more than half a century ago, where there was no PC or AI data tools at that era. It is time for us to review them, whether they are still valid using today's technology. Let's look at check sheet. In today, I think it's seldom been used as we already have auto data collection, the sensor of counting itself, Pareto, which is still frequently used, and actually it could also be automated into the data system. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Are you ready to take your manufacturing supplier quality engineering career to the next level? Look no further. I am excited to introduce to you my comprehensive and affordable courses available on Udemy. Whether you are preparing for a job interview or looking to advance your skills, my courses on supplier quality engineering, audits, quality tools on NSA, SPC, FMEA, Lean Six Sigma, problem solving, specialized process control audit in metal stamping, plastic injection molding, printed circuit board assembly, spray painting, and more have got you covered. Each course comes with complete downloadable guides, templates, or checklists that you can immediately apply to your job. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in your career. With on-demand video, you can access the course from anywhere on your mobile device, giving you the flexibility to learn on the go. And with a Udemy certificate of completion and lifetime access to course materials, you will equip with valuable resources, templates, guides, checklists to take your career to the next level. Follow the link below to check my courses to start your journey to success today. Histogram is also frequently used to show the data distribution analysis. Stratification is something that is seldom used, as we can collect data by machine or by other grouping which makes sense. The control chart is also very widely used today, and it could be plotted using a statistical software. The cause and effect diagram is one of the most frequent used tools, and the scatter plot is less frequent, and it could be replaced with a statistic software. From the list of the tools here, it seems that there are two tools that is not being very much in use anymore. Therefore, it is also better to replace some of these tools with more current tools which has been used, such as 5 Whys, or the more sophisticated tools such as DOE, ANOVA analysis, which give an accurate insight to the data. However, this does not mean that the 7QC tools is no longer valid, as the approach of collecting the data and mapping it to the root cause of a problem is a must in any manufacturing industries related problem solving. Which I hope that this video has given you some guidance on which tools you should master to get your problem solved. Do give me a like for this video. Comment what is your favorite QC tools to use. Do share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my future video.